So to fix these error codes on media creation tool, first of all, create a restore point. So Windows 7 users, you can go to control panel, system restore, and then you can create a restore point, configure it, turn on system protection, apply, click on OK, and then click on create. You can maybe enter today's date. This is just an example. Create a restore point. Once the restore point is created, now you can copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy this, open Notepad on your computer. Once the Notepad is open, paste all the command. Go to file, save as desktop, and then name this file as .registry.reg, and then you can save it. Go to desktop. Here you can see the registry editor file. Make a right click, run as administrator, or you can simply make a double click, and then click on yes to allow. Click on yes. Do you want to continue? Done. Now restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can use media creation tool, and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.